Every now and again, Nike come up with an epic pair of sneakers with details and inspiration to bring you the Air Max 1 Escape. These are awesome. Welcome everybody to another video. Thank you very much for joining me today. We are going to be looking at the Nike Air Max 1 Premium Escape. Air Max 1 Escape, an absolutely beautiful sneaker, and boy oh boy, is it a lovely sneaker, boys and girls. Woo! This is the Air Max 1 Escape. I'm going to be going through the materials, the sizing, the comfort, and we're going to take an in-depth look as to why this sneaker has been made and what the inspiration was behind it. An absolutely beautiful sneaker. Man, I'm so gassed to be doing this review about these. I asked you guys on my community feed what sneaker you wanted me to review first, the Air Max Ivos or the Air Max 1 Escape. These ones popped up, so these are the ones we're reviewing today. Air Max 1s recently have been getting me, and you know, I got the OG 86 Big Bubble Retro, and these ones as well. Just the details on these sneakers are super dope, man. Some of the materials are good, some of them are okay, but there's just little bits on this sneaker that just get me gassed to wear them, get me excited, get me hyped up. Like I've drank a bottle of, like a litre bottle of Coke, drank it all, looked at the sneaker and be like, yo, they're sick. And have to put them on feet. My cat has put a hair in it already. I'm so mad. Anyway, guys, if you are new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos or reviews. Let's just get into the materials. They look absolutely beautiful. Mount St. Helen is the inspiration behind this sneaker for the Air Max 1 Escapes. Absolutely beautiful. Mount St. Helen is a volcano that erupted in 1982 last. That's crazy. The sneakers come in a regular Nike box, as they always do with Air Max 1, and the official description is Nike Air Max 1 Premium, white slate, blue, black. Starting off with the tongue, you got your red Nike Air Max on the front, and this is padded very nicely, very, very squishy and soft, lovely. And you got these lovely metallic-y sort of laces on the front. They look sick. And also, for you guys that are wondering why it look like, you get a spare set of laces, so you get the white laces. I'm kind of liking the white laces, and then you get the original laces that come with the sneaker. And then we go to the sock liner, which has got like a weird stitching all around, like a cross hatch stitching all the way around the sock liner. It's kind of hard to see, but really nice little detail. That's not normal for an Air Max 1, so it's really cool to see that. The heel plate looking real nice, absolutely beautiful. Nike Air on the back there, and then you get this awesome sort of foresty detail around the collar of the sneaker at the back. Goes all the way around. Looks dope, man. That is definitely a really nice detail. I'm very impressed by that. Looks really nice, kind of glistens as well. That's where Nike got the inspiration for this sneaker. Then you got that beautiful sort of synthetic leather for the swoosh. Very, very nice. Nice detail. So the toe box is like a soft cotton all the way around. Feels very nice to hand. And it looks awesome all the way around the sneaker. Very impressed by the quality of the suede on the mud guard all the way around. And then the toe box has got like this sort of cross hatch stitching again all the way around. I'm not sure what that material is, but it kind of just feels like it's kind of bumpy all the way over. I'm not sure what that material is, but it's really nice to hand, feels nice. The midsole looks very, very nice with that air unit in there, the hint of green, very, very nice. And then, boys and girls, we go to the outsole. The outsole is just black and green. Or is that like a blue? I don't know. It's like a bluey green. But yeah, real nice. I've already had them on feet, so a little bit dirty. But boom. An absolutely lovely sneaker with a real cool detail. That is what made me buy the sneaker. Just that detail there. But guys, let me know what you're thinking down in the comments. What do you think of these sneakers so far? Now it's time to get down to the comfort and the sizing. The overall comfort of the shoe it's okay. It's not the best ever comfortable wise Air Max 1. I do like them. I've had to loose lace them just to be able to wear them. but overall they are a really nice shoe to wear. A couple of days wearing them and they'll break in nicely, I think. I went true to size for the fit of the sneaker, and I believe it's very, very comfortable, true to size. I would suggest if you're a wide footer to go up half a size. I've got narrow feet and I've gone true to size and they're slightly narrow for me, and I've had to loose lace them. So that's like a madness for me, because normally I could just put any sneaker on and I'll fit them straight away. So what I would suggest is going up half a size if you purchase these sneakers. But overall comfort of the sneaker is very nice, and they're really, really wearable. They're slightly heavy, so if you compared it to an Air Max 90, you'd notice that they're a little bit more heavy than the Air Max 90s, but overall they're a comfortable sneaker to wear. They don't cause you any issues. They're really, really nice. Aesthetically, looks wise, mate, they bang, they bang. People were saying these sneakers are sin and told me to stop getting so excited over them. I think they're a sick sneaker, and they're close to being in my top 5 of this year. I picked up a lot of nice sneakers this year. I'm going to be doing a top 5 at the end of the year, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, one absolutely beautiful sneaker. I'm rating it. My rating for the sneaker, I'm going to be going 9 out of 10. It's nearly a 10 out of 10 sneaker, but because of the materials aren't as premium as they could have been, if they just went that little bit further on the uppers, man, if the upper was just that little bit nicer and the better suede, it would have been so much better. But guys, 9 out of 10 from me. An absolutely beautiful sneaker. I like it. I think if you're looking to buy a new Air Max 1 and you want something a little bit different, definitely the way to go. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!